This is a bypass. That's a Black Diamond.
Okay.
But eventually they kind of meet up.
You've been on this Black Diamond straight ahead?
No, I haven't. I haven't been on that one.
See what it brings, huh?
Go straight? Okay.
That'll be my first Black Diamond.
Oh.
So.
Okay, here we go on a Black Diamond. We decided to give it a try. Now, I'm not sure how bad it's going to be. Some of the Black Diamonds out here really aren't that bad. Shoot. So I'm actually riding with somebody today. His name's Nick, and his channel is Till Death Do Us Sport. I highly recommend that you go check out his channel. He's got some really cool stuff. He's just starting out. I'm sure he could use the subscribers and the viewers. So head on over that way and, you know, give him a like, give him a subscribe, and see what he's all about. We're playing around here at the San Bernardino Mountains. Just trying to go on a lot of stuff we've never been on before. He's never been here, and I've only been here just a little bit. We'll see what we can discover. Oh, Rock City. Oh. Oh. Whew. That's some serious rocks.
Yeah, I know. That's a little asteroid belt there, man. Asteroid field.
Wow. Well, let's see. I was going to look at the map.
Yeah, stop and get a drink.
Yeah, take a break.
It's totally different than what I'm used to. I mean, fire roads are great and all, but I don't know. It's just a different dynamic out here, you know?
Oh, yeah.
All the drastic, like, elevation changes just, yeah, it's really cool.
Well, today is the first day I've ridden with this bike after installing a clutch weight.
Good, what's happening?
Sounds weird.
Sounds different?
Yeah, a ticking sound.
Like a rattle?
Kinda, yeah. Ticking rattle. Huh. I'm just paranoid it's the clutch weight I put on either a bolt loosened or, you know, it's rubbing against the cover.
Right.
Something like that. Huh.
Yeah, because obviously you're going to be familiar with how your bike sounds.
Yeah. Shoot, that's not good.
And it just came on as you were just coming.
Yeah, I just started to hear it.
Huh.
Well, my worst fear is if it's just rubbing, it should rub itself clearance and not chew up too much.
Right.
But if a bolt or something came loose and rubbing, and if that breaks off or comes out and gets caught or something, then you're going to do some major damage.
Yeah, major damage. Yeah, well, if we want to try to head back, I mean, it's the best bet, safest bet if you don't want to.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially.
Probably should.
Yeah.
Well, my first mechanical problem.
There you go.
Because I was waiting for it. It was bound to happen. I like one of these days something's going to happen.
Yeah. How many hours or miles do you have on this?
It's got 1,500 miles.
Okay.
And 80 hours.
80 hours.
It's not that much. Oh yeah, there's something wrong. Yeah.
Yeah. Now is it gone?
No, but it quieted down.
Quieted down.
Yeah. But it's still there though. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I was just about to tell you that I installed a clutch weight from KTM and Husky.com, and that I really like it. It kind of allows you to lug the engine almost like a two-stroke. It doesn't seem to want to flame out. It definitely has more chuggability, if you want to call it that. But I was just about to attack a single track, and I started to hear this really weird kind of clattering from inside the engine. And it appears that it's coming from where I installed the clutch weight. So we're kind of heading back, limping back to the truck. I don't feel comfortable to keep going, because if this thing lets loose or grenades, I'll be stuck out here. So we're kind of just slowly making our way back to the truck. Bummer. That's all I can say is bummer. Yeah, another. Ooh, that's something I'm not used to. Traffic. I guess this is a popular area, and it is summertime. That's Nick's horn. He actually upgraded his horn, and his horn is really loud. I mean, really loud. It's a blaster. But it makes things safe. You beep around the corners. Hopefully somebody could hear you. Oh, there is something so nice just about cruising on a road. I do miss it sometimes. You know, dirt's fun, challenging and all that, but there's something so fun about just carving the twisties on a nice road.
Yeah, man, you got to get her home and
Yeah.
see what the heck's going on.
Now I'm really curious, yeah.
Yeah, like you say, it's probably just heat expansion, hopefully, and then,
Yeah, if it's just ticking something, yeah.
you know,
It's
or-
gotta be.
yeah, it's weird. That seems like there's not a lot that could go wrong if something
Yeah.
was to, you know.
No, there's not. Either it's gonna rub or if the bolt comes loose. I mean, that's about it. But I torqued everything down. I got a really good torque wrench and stuff, so it shouldn't have been that. But
I don't know, man.
yeah, sorry about that, man.
Sweat.
Right when we were about to get into the fun stuff.
No, I still had a blaster. I did my first black diamond today. So.
Yeah, I almost lost it around that little turn. Oh my god. I was looking up and looking at the thing. Whoa, and
The column's getting crazy.
I thought for sure I was going to lose it, but I held on to it.
Yeah.
was funny. As much fun as it is to watch these videos, why don't you get on out there and make your own adventures? The memories you make will last you a lifetime.